Question number one. The device used to measure humidity. Options are A. Hydrometer, B. Altimeter, C. Psychrometer, D. Radiometer. The right answer is C. Psychrometer. Question number two. Name the science of time measurement or clock making. Options are A. Astrology, B. Chronology, C. Horology, D. Hymnology. The right answer is C. Horology. Question number three. What does pluviometer gauge measures? Options are A. Density, B. Heat, C. Pressure, D. Rain. The right answer is D. Rain.